Hello everyone. The Indian rupee is entering a zone we have never seen before. Between massive capital outflow and a global macro storm, the USD-INR pair is breaking records for all the wrong reasons. Today, we are diving into why behind this trend and mapping out the technical levels that matter for rest of 2026. Let's look at the numbers, and they are eye-opening. So far in 2026, FPBAs have pulled over 2 lakh crore out of Indian equities. To put that in perspective, that's already significantly higher than the total outflow for the entire 2025. Apart from what we are calling the February flow, a brief momentum of buying sentiment turned sharply in March with a record of 1.17 lakh crore exit. That selling pressure hasn't stopped and it's creating a massive supply of rupee in the market, driving the value down. Why are they leaving? It's a perfect storm of global risk. Rising tensions in West Asia have kept crude oil prices elevated, which is a direct hit to India's economy. At the same time, high interest rates in developed markets are making US bonds look more attractive than Indian stocks. For foreign investors, the math is simple. Why take the risk to emerging market equities when you can get safe, high yields in dollars? Technically, the USD-INR is in a clear uptrend. All key moving averages are sloping higher, and while the RSI is elevated, it's not yet overbought, meaning there's still room for this pair to climb toward 96 mark. On the downside, keep your eyes on 9140. This is our immediate support line. If we break below that, the next big safety net is the 50-day SMA that is at 93.46. A close below that level would be first sign that the massive rally is finally cooling off. So, domestically, fundamentals are stable, but global risk is currently in the driver's seat. For now, the path of least resistance for USD-INR is higher. Watch those support levels closely and stay tuned as we navigate these uncharted waters. Thank you for watching.